Welcome! In this video, I'll tell you how to fix WAN 9000 in Valorant. Let's begin. First, WAN 9000 is a connection error that usually appears when Valorant servers are unreachable. This is often due to Riot servers being down or a local network issue. To fix it, start by checking the Riot Games server status page to see if there is ongoing maintenance or server outages in your region. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your modem or router and avoid using VPNs or proxy servers, as they might interfere with the game's connection. You should also run the game as an administrator to ensure it has proper network permissions. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Another solution is to restart your system and relaunch the Riot client. In some cases, firewall or antivirus software may block network access. Temporarily disable them and try again. If the error persists, consider reinstalling the Riot client completely. This can resolve any corrupted files causing the problem. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.